Hey there, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up ads.txt on your WordPress website. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can create ads.txt file for your WordPress website to show Google AdSense ad or any other ad networks. So here you can see I'm currently logging to my Google AdSense publisher account, and here you can see for my website, this website is got Google AdSense approved, but they say that ads.txt status is not found. So just to verify this, you have to write your website domain name and then /ads.txt, and here you can see if I click enter, the page is not found. That is, my ads.txt file is not created. So let's create our ads.txt file in our WordPress website so that we can show Google AdSense ad on our website. Well, you can do this thing, that is, you can create ads.txt for Google AdSense in your WordPress website in two ways. One method is going to your WordPress websites admin and then WP admin, and here you have to install a plugin through which you can do the setup. But I don't like this method. I always like to go to my root directory of my website files and then create the ads.txt there. So in order to do this, you have to log into your hPanel of whatever the hosting you are using. I'm currently using Hostinger for my website, that's why I logged into the hPanel of my Hostinger. And then you have to go to the website section and you have to find your website domain for which you are going to set up the ads.txt file. And this is my website domain, that's why I'm clicking on dashboard, and it may take a little bit time. And here you can see the file manager section, so I have to click on it in order to open my website's files. So we just have to wait a little bit to load this page, and here you can see my website files are loaded, and this is the public HTML. This contains all the necessary documents and all the necessary files. So we have to click on public HTML. Remember, when you are inside your public HTML, this has become your root directory. So the ads.txt file needs to be created within the root directory. So you always have to make sure whatever the hosting you are using, you have to navigate to your website domain. Then from there you have to click on dashboard, and then you have to click on files or file manager in order to get access to all the files of your website. And you have to navigate to these public HTML files, and this is actually becomes our root directory where we are going to create our ads.txt file. So for this, we just have to click the new file option, here you can see, or maybe if you click on right button, or here you can see also in the top bar we have other options. So we are going to click on the new file option in order to create a new file, and we have to write ads.txt, and here you can see this should be the file name ads.txt, the file name with extension. It is a text file, so we have to click write ads.txt, and then we have to click on create. So you can see this will take a bit time. Our ads.txt file is created and opened here. So in this ads.txt file, we have to put our ads.txt code, which will be provided from Google, so Google AdSense. So we have to click on our domain here, and then here you can see they have provided the ads.txt data. So we just have to copy the ads.txt content, and then we have to come to our ads.txt file inside our root directory. We have to paste it there, and then we just have to click the save button. Okay, our ads.txt file is successfully created. Let's close it. Now come to my website dashboard. As I'm using WP Rocket, so I have to clear the cache so that I can properly see ads.txt. However, it might take a little bit time, but I think it should load now. Oh, and here you can see after loading the page, our ads.txt file is successfully created with the Google's provided ads.txt credentials. So after a few time, this will be say that ads.txt is successfully updated. So yeah, here you can see when I click on check for update, they said that ads.txt found. We found your publisher ID in the ads.txt file. So guys, this is all about today. I think you know how to create ads.txt on your WordPress root directory easily. If you want to know how you can do the exact same thing with the help of any plugin from your WordPress WP admin, then comment below. I will try to make another separate video to show you how you can do this thing more easily with the help of any plugin. Thank you.